Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to watch a story about visiting a doctor and a pharmacy. In this video, you will follow a simple conversation between two friends, Ken and Ellie. Ken is not feeling well, so he goes to a clinic, talks with a doctor, and later visits a pharmacy to get medicine. Don't worry, everything is spoken slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What symptoms does Ken have this morning? The answer appears in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Hey, Ken, are you okay? You don't look so good.
Hey, Ellie. Yeah, I don't feel well today.
Oh no, what's wrong? You look tired.
I have a headache and my throat is sore.
A headache and a sore throat? That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, it started this morning. When I woke up, I had a headache.
Oh, that's not good. And how about your throat? When did your throat start hurting?
My throat started hurting last night. I thought it was nothing, but now it really hurts.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure, but I think I have a little fever. My body feels warm.
Let me touch your forehead. Yeah, you feel a little warm.
Really? I thought so.
Ken, I think you might have a cold.
A cold? Maybe you're right. I feel tired, too.
You should see a doctor.
I think I'm okay. Maybe I just need some rest.
No, Ken. You have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever. You should really see a doctor. It's better to go now.
But I don't like going to the doctor. I always feel nervous.
I know, but your health is important. Don't worry, I'll go with you.
You will come with me?
Of course. There's a clinic near here. Let's go together.
Okay, you're right. Let's go to the clinic.
Good. Let's go now before it gets late.
Thanks, Ellie. I feel sick, but I'm glad you're here.
Of course. That's what friends are for. Let's go.
Excuse me, I would like to see a doctor, please.
Of course. Welcome to our clinic. Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time.
Okay. What seems to be the problem today?
I have a sore throat, and I think I have a fever.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also have a headache.
Okay. When did your symptoms start?
My throat started hurting last night, and my headache started this morning.
Thank you. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have an appointment. Is that okay?
That's fine. We can see you today, but you may need to wait a little.
That's okay. I can wait.
Great. First, I need you to fill out this form. Please write your name, date of birth, and your symptoms.
Okay, I will fill out this form.
Take your time. When you finish, please bring it back to me.
Sure.
Do you have your insurance card with you?
Yes, I have it. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll copy this and give it back to you. After that, please have a seat in the waiting room. The doctor will call your name.
The waiting room is over there?
Yes, right over there. Please sit down and wait. We will call you soon.
How long do I need to wait?
Maybe about 15 or 20 minutes. There are a few patients before you.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Hello, I'm Dr. Miller. Please come in and sit down.
Thank you, doctor.
So, Ken, what brings you here today? Can you tell me about your symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache and my throat hurts.
I see. When did it start?
It started this morning. When I woke up, I had a headache.
Okay. And your throat? When did your throat start hurting?
My throat started hurting last night, but it got worse this morning.
I understand. Do you have a fever?
I think so. My body feels warm.
Let me check your temperature. Okay, you have a slight fever. It's 37.8 degrees Celsius.
I see.
Do you have a cough?
A little bit. Not a lot, but sometimes I cough.
Do you have a runny nose?
Yes, a little.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, I feel very tired today.
Okay, let me look at your throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
I can see your throat is red. It looks like you have a cold. It is probably a common cold.
Just a cold? That's good to hear.
Yes, a cold is not serious, but you need to take care of yourself. If you don't rest, it can get worse.
I understand. What should I do?
I will write you a prescription. You can take it to a pharmacy and get your medicine. The medicine will help with your headache and your sore throat.
Thank you, doctor.
Also, please make sure to rest. Stay home and sleep a lot. Don't go to work for a few days.
Okay, I will rest at home.
And please drink a lot of water. It is very important to drink water when you are sick.
I understand. Rest and drink a lot of water.
That's right. Here is your prescription. Please take this to a pharmacy.
A pharmacy. Okay.
The pharmacy will give you your medicine. If you don't feel better in a few days, please come back and see me again.
How many days should I wait before I come back?
If you still feel sick after 5 days, please come back, but most people feel better in 3 or 4 days.
I understand. I will. Thank you very much, Dr. Miller.
You're welcome. Take care, Ken. Get well soon.
Thank you. I will take care of myself.
Hey, Ken. How did it go? What did the doctor say?
It went well. The doctor was very nice.
Good. So, what did the doctor say about your symptoms?
The doctor said I have a cold.
A cold? I thought so. Did the doctor give you any medicine?
Well, the doctor didn't give me medicine directly, but the doctor gave me a prescription.
Oh, a prescription. That makes sense. You need to take the prescription to a pharmacy to get the medicine.
Yes, that's right. The doctor said I should take it to a pharmacy.
Did the doctor say anything else?
Yes, the doctor told me to rest at home and drink a lot of water.
That's good advice. Rest is very important when you have a cold.
Yeah, the doctor also said I should not go to work for a few days.
That's a good idea. If you go to work, other people might catch your cold too.
That's true. I don't want to make other people sick.
Right. You should listen to the doctor. So, do you know where a pharmacy is?
Not really. Is there one near here?
Yes, there is a pharmacy just down the street. Let's go there now.
Okay, let's go to the pharmacy and get my medicine. I hope it's not too far. I'm really tired.
Don't worry, it's very close. Just a 2-minute walk from here. Let's go. I'll walk with you. You still don't look so well.
Ha, thanks, Ellie. I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
Don't mention it. Let's just get you better.
Hello, I have a prescription from my doctor. Here you are.
Hello. Thank you. Let me take a look at your prescription. Okay, I see. The doctor prescribed 2 kinds of medicine for you. I will prepare your medicine now. Please wait a moment.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, here is your medicine. You have 2 kinds of medicine. This one is for your headache and fever, and this one is for your sore throat.
I see. 2 kinds of medicine. Can I ask you some questions about the medicine?
Of course, please ask me anything.
How often should I take this medicine?
You should take both medicines twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening.
Twice a day, morning and evening. Got it. Should I take it before meals or after meals?
Please take the medicine after meals. It is better for your stomach. Taking medicine on an empty stomach can sometimes make you feel sick.
After meals. Okay, I understand. Are there any side effects?
Some people feel a little sleepy after taking this medicine, so please be careful if you are driving.
I might feel sleepy? Okay, I will be careful.
Yes, so it is better to take the medicine when you are at home.
That makes sense. I am going to rest at home anyway.
Also, please don't drink alcohol while you are taking this medicine.
No alcohol. I understand.
And one more thing, please finish all of your medicine. Even if you feel better, don't stop. Take it until it is all gone.
I should finish all of the medicine. Got it. How long should I take the medicine?
You have 5 days of medicine, so please take it for 5 days.
5 days. Twice a day, after meals, for 5 days.
That's correct. And don't forget to drink a lot of water. Water helps the medicine work better.
I will drink a lot of water. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon. If you have any other questions about the medicine, you can always come back and ask.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Did you get your medicine?
Yes, I did. I got 2 kinds of medicine. One is for my headache and fever. The other one is for my sore throat.
Good. So how do you take the medicine? Let me help you remember.
Okay, the pharmacist said I should take the medicine twice a day.
Twice a day. So once in the morning and once in the evening?
Yes, that's right. And I should take the medicine after meals.
After meals. That's important. Don't take it on an empty stomach, okay?
Right. The pharmacist said taking medicine on an empty stomach can make you feel sick.
Good. What else did the pharmacist say?
The pharmacist said I might feel a little sleepy after taking the medicine. That's a side effect.
Oh, you might feel sleepy? Then you should probably just rest at home. That's perfect.
Yeah, I guess so. And I should not drink alcohol.
No alcohol while you're taking medicine. Got it. And don't forget to drink a lot of water, right?
Yes, both the doctor and the pharmacist told me to drink a lot of water.
Water is really important when you're sick. How many days do you need to take the medicine?
I need to take the medicine for 5 days. The pharmacist said I should finish all of it, even if I feel better.
That's really important. Don't stop early.
I won't. So let me say it all one more time. I take the medicine twice a day, after meals. I drink a lot of water. I rest at home. And I take the medicine for 5 days.
Perfect. You remember everything. You went to the clinic, you saw the doctor, you got a prescription, you went to the pharmacy, and you got your medicine. You did great today, Ken.
Thanks, Ellie. I couldn't do it without you.
You're welcome. Now let's get you home. You need to rest.
Yes, I want to go home and sleep.
Good idea. Take your medicine after dinner tonight and then go to bed early.
I will. I hope I feel better tomorrow.
I'm sure you will. Just follow the doctor's advice. Rest, drink a lot of water, and take your medicine.
Rest, drink a lot of water, and take my medicine. Got it.
And remember, you take the medicine twice a day after meals, morning and evening.
Twice a day after meals. I won't forget.
And if you don't feel better in a few days, go back to the clinic and see the doctor again.
Right. The doctor said that too. Thanks for everything today, Ellie.
Anytime. Get well soon, Ken.
I will. See you soon, Ellie.
See you soon. Take care.
How was it? I hope this story helped you practice your English listening. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What symptoms does Ken have this morning? Did you find the answer? If you found the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing in English, even short sentences, you can improve your English faster. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps me continue making new English learning videos. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.